everybody? Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you some of our brand new items. To my right, we're looking at two of our sizes. These are going to be Underbar ice bins, okay? Underbar ice bins with bottle holders on each side and liquor racks on the front. Okay, so we will have two sizes available, 24-inch, 36-inch. Okay, they're all stainless steel units. As you can see, they do have white on the sides. This is just a protective peel off sticker. You can go ahead and peel it off once you receive the unit, just to make sure it doesn't get damaged. You obviously have your legs already installed, or not going to be installed for the units, but it does come with those legs. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and measure these units out for you. You have an idea what they measure. As I mentioned, 24 inches for our first size. Your depth, 29. Overall height, okay, without the liquor rack, you're looking at a depth of 21. With the liquor rack, 29. Okay, so it's your option. You can take that off or you can add it. Overall height with the legs, you're looking at 34 inches high. Okay, same measurements are going to be for the next size up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and measure the inside. As for both of these units, they are going to be insulated. Okay, so obviously they're both insulated for your ice. And you can take off these bottle holders as well. We'll show you the inside, measure the inside. You want to go ahead and get those measurements, front to back, 15 inches. Left to right, 22. Bottom to the top, 12 and a half. All right, on to the second size. Length, as we mentioned, is 36 inches. Okay, 36, followed by your depth with liquor rack, depth of 29. Without the liquor rack, you're looking at 21. Okay, so same measurements. Okay, for the inside, 15 by 34. All right, as I mentioned, they're going to be insulated for your ice. Okay, so we will have two sizes available for your Underbar ice compartments here. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding these units, including the price for each. If you have any other questions regarding one of these units, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.